Hi, hola, привет. Today we're gonna make shashlik. So we brought our mangal and we brought our shampur. So first we're gonna fill it up with charcoal and let that sit for a bit. Okay, because we don't have too many shampoos, we're only gonna fill up a small space. I'm thinking the middle, just so that it all catches fire nice and even. That should be nice. It's just tapped down and it's just enough to catch a fire. Again, these are just gonna lay right above right here, so we don't need it to be so tall. I'm gonna grab some newspaper or even a paper bag to set on fire. Now that we have this charcoal set up, we're just gonna evenly spread out some lighter fluid. That should be enough. I'll put a little bit down the middle. Away from us. And I have a book of matches. So I also have a paper bag. If this doesn't go through, then I do have some newspaper laid out. Always have a plan B. So newspaper or paper bags work great. We're just gonna wait for the charcoal to die down, the fire to die down a bit and the charcoal to go a little bit more. Probably move this. Charcoal to turn gray, and when that happens, then we'll put the shampoos over with the shashlik. See the fire starts going down. Literally get anything that you feel will fan it. Try not to burn yourself with the little pieces that come back up. Okay, so now we're gonna start placing the shashlik on top of the shampur. And we marinated this for about 24 hours yesterday. It's marinated with salt, pepper, and onion. It's basic Russian traditional way of marinating. Now we're not gonna go all the way to the tips. We're gonna leave some room. So a good tip is to try to put your hand and about 2 inches away from it. You see, we made sure that it is nice and chunky, so that it gets a good grip around. This one's pretty thin, so we could just fold that over. Do one side, pull it back over, and do the second side. This way we could avoid any mishaps of losing any meat. Alright, our shashlik is ready in place. Now we'll go ahead and... So here we want to make sure there's enough space in between. So see how we have ridges up on the top? We're going to skip one, making sure that there's an even and everything's getting cooked. Don't worry about it being empty over here. The heat is still transferring onto the other side. Here's a pointer. I know that this one's already done, but the next time we do this, instead of cutting the onions into chopped pieces, maybe I should leave them as O's, so it'd be easier to ring them around and enjoy that. And that way it'll still collect all the flavor as well. So remember how I was saying maybe we should have cut it as O's instead of chopped it up into pieces. But I didn't want to let all this onion go to waste, so I'm thinking maybe we could caramelize them instead of just throwing them all out. So hopefully this new idea I just came up with works. So I'm just gonna make this into a nice little foiled ball. How we roast potatoes. We're not roasting potatoes today because I made potatoes. Maybe in the corner over here. And unlike steak, we're gonna turn these every so often. Got some well and medium well, just the way we both like it. And now we're gonna go ahead and remove them. Okay, we're placing it into this pot so that we could keep it nice and warm since the pot comes with the lid. And these just came out beautifully. Let's not forget about our onions. See how that turned out. Onions. Oh, they came out like juicy. We have steamed onions. I don't know how I feel about that, to be honest. I probably won't eat them. Well, trial and error. You don't know unless you try. Приятного аппетита!